Dear students, today we will start potential at any point on axial line, at any point on equatorial line, at any point due to dipole or electric dipole. Okay, first I start करिया equipotential surface. What is equipotential surface? What is equipotential surface? You see, equi means equal. Potential, you know, the capacity, energy. Surface, you know, this is a surface. So what is equipotential surface? Equi माने समान potential. जो surface रे potential समान हेतिबो at every point ताकू equipotential surface कहबा. तार definition केमते हम नवा? Equipotential surface is defined as the locus of all points. The locus of all points in the medium. Medium कहला माने air medium है पारे, material medium है पारे. Locus of all points in the medium in which potential is same. Potential is same or equal. This is the definition of equipotential surface. You see, equipotential surface is defined as तार संज्ञा एया जे बा समान पोटेंशियल थिबा बा इक्वल पोटेंशियल थिबा सरफेस को कोटा को आइबो ना लोकस ऑफ ऑल पॉइंट्स. लोकस यू नो ज्योमेट्रिकल फिगर तमे हाई स्कूल रे पढिचो. लोकस ऑफ ऑल पॉइंट्स in a straight line, that is a line segment also. So locus means your geometrical figure of all points. सबु पॉइंट रो geometrical figure हेतिबा दरकार in the medium, जे कोनोसी मीडियम रे in which जो थे potential is same at every point. Potential is same. Suppose example आमे नबा charge, plus charge here. Due to plus charge, there is a electric field around it. You see, electric field at equal distance. You see, this is called your, if you consider this is a sphere, radius r, this is called to radius r, this is called to your radius r, this is called to your radius r. So equal distance ray, if you take the points, you see all points are equal distance are from the plus charge. You see all the points. If you join all points, that is called to your smooth curve. This smooth curve becomes a spherical surface. You see spherical surface. This is equipotential surface because here potential is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r. R is the distance from plus q to the surface. Here r, this is called to, you take, this is equal to your V potential 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r. You see the potential at this is equal to this. Here also this. So at every point potential is same. Potential is same. Potential is same means capacity is same. So this surface, spherical surface, is equal to your what? Equipotential surface. ताले इक्विपोटेंशियल सरफेस कहला माने गोटे सरफेस हेतिबा दरकार जो सरफेस रे सबु पॉइंट गुडा कर डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम प्लस चार्ज इज इक्वल, दैट इज योर आर. ताले एठी जेतिक डिस्टेंस रहइबो एठी सेतिक डिस्टेंस रहइबो कोठु प्लस क्यू रु. तन एठी सबु पॉइंट गुडा करे पोटेंशियल जदी हमें समान पाइले दैट इज इक्वल टू इक्विपोटेंशियल सरफेस. क्लियर? तेणु जो इक्विपोटेंशियल सरफेस रो डेफिनेशन तुमको आसीबो तुम लिखिबो इट इज डिफाइन द लोकस ऑफ ऑल पॉइंट्स इन व्हिच पोटेंशियल इज सेम बस एतिकी लिखिले भी सफिशिएंट तापरे फिगर तुम ड्रॉ करिवो प्लस चार्ज नहीं गलो यू नो प्लस चार्ज रो लाइन्स ऑफ फोर्स is away from plus charge. In electrostatic, you know lines of forces is away from plus charge. This is called to away from plus charge. This is called to away from plus charge. And this is called to your simple straight line. The angle is 90. Okay. So, what is the angle between equipotential surface? This is called to equipotential surface, you see. And this is called to lines of force. The short question will may come. You see, what will short question in equipotential surface? What is the angle? What is the angle between? What is the angle between equipotential surface and lines of forces? Lines of forces is, you see, what is the angle between equipotential surface and lines of force? The answer is your 90, because this is a simple line segment, tangent. This is equal to 90. Circle, you know, high school तुम तिर्यक पढ़ीच. This is called to radius. This is called to your tangent. The angle is 90. So this is your answer. The angle between equipotential surface and lines of force. Okay. Next question may come. What is the work done? Work done. When a charge, here you see this is called point A, this is called to point B. When a charge moves from A to B, suppose Q moves A to B, what is the work done? You know potential is equal to W by Q0. So W is equal to VQ. What is the V? V is the potential difference between 2 points A and B. Here potential is V, here potential is V. So potential difference is equal to 0. This minus this. So 0 into Q0, this is equal to 0. So work done by a charge moves from one point to other in equipotential surface is 0. दीटा शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन तुम ए बेस रे आसपारे. ओके, बुझ पाइल किछि? तुम पढ़ा सरीबणी, रिपीट करिवो, देखिवो. नेक्स्ट कम टू डिराइव एन एक्सप्रेशन और deduce an formula, deduce a formula or expression for potential at any point on axial line. Axial line, you know, end on position also, you write end on position, or the line joining two charges of a dipole, of a dipole, or tan a position. You see, tan a position due to dipole. You see, what is the question? Deduce माने derive करो a formula for potential or simple electric potential at any point, जेकोनसी point रे, on axial line. This is the general term. Axial line means दीटा का चार्ज को जॉइन करथबा द लाइन. Axial line जब न पड़ी थिबो ता अल्टरनेटिव पड़ी थिबो end on position. So you remember axial line means end on position, or end on position means axial. Another line joining two charges of dipole. Dipole, you know, this is called to your minus q, this is called to your plus q. So this is called to dipole. Line joining dipole, you see, this is the line joining two charges of dipole. So question may come, in place of axial, in place of end-on position may come the line joining two charges of a dipole. Another one, tan a position, that is tangent axial. Axial टाको आम tangent base बोली धरुचे position. तेणु deduce the formula either tan a position, end-on position, or line joining between two charges of a dipole or axial line. जेकोसी शब्द बा ए वर्ड यूज होइतिबो तम क्वेश्चन रे तमे मन करिवो दिस इज कॉल्ड योर एक्सियल देन कंफ्यूज होबो नाही एनी क्वेश्चन जदी एमती आसी पारे ओके क्वेश्चन जानि गेलो बर्तमान हमें तार फार्मूला डिड्यूस करबा जेहेतु ड्यू टू डाइपोल यू ड्रॉ ए फिगर of a dipole. This is called your dipole. You know dipole, two equal and opposite charges placed very close to each other. You take center of a dipole. You take this is called A, this is called B. Axial line. You extend it. Generally plus Q side. You take this is called your point C. A, B, C. This you have to find potential. Okay, here potential is V1 due to plus Q. You take due to minus Q, potential is V2. So at point C, two potentials. You know V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R. That R distance रे Q ठारू गोटे point रे potential is this. ताले dipole पाइन दी दीटा charge. दुईटा चार्ज माने प्लस क्यू पोटेंशियल गोटे बाहर करिवो माइनस क्यू गोटे पोटेंशियल बाहर करिवो कोठी सी पॉइंट टोटल सम इज इक्वल टू योर V बिकॉज पोटेंशियल इज द सम ऑफ ऑल द कॉन्फिगरेशन चार्जेस गुडाई चार्ज मनकर एठी अछन Q1 Q2 Q3 Q4 point is here you see this is called to R1. This is called to your R2, this is called to your R3, this is called to R4. So what is the potential at point A? Potential at A is equal to V1 due to Q1 charge, V2 this is equal to for Q2, V3 for Q3, V4 for Q4. सो गुडा चार्ज जदि भेरी क्लोज अवस्थित करती बा सिचुएटेड थांती बा क्लोजली एयर रे थांती बा जेकोसी मीडियम रे थांती ताल जेकोसी गोटे पॉइंट रे पोटेंशियल बाहर करी कहले इंडिविजुअल सब चार्ज गुडा कर पोटेंशियल तमे से पॉइंट रे बाहर करिवो बाहर करला परे कोन करिवो सम नै जिवो दैट इज इक्वल टू पोटेंशियल एट ए ड्यू टू ऑल चार्जेस सम ऑफ पोटेंशियल यू सी दिस इज इक्वल टू योर V दिस इज इक्वल टू सुपरपोजिशन प्रिंसिपल ऑफ पोटेंशियल ओके So you see here plus Q V1. ताले consider I mean consider कौन फिगर तुम शो करछो consider a dipole लेइछो AB with axial line ताले axial dipole नहीं करी axial line यूज करछो axial line is as shown in figure तार तो तुम फिगर रे सार को कौन कहबा चाहछो सार देखंतु ए फिगरटा कौन ए फिगरटा ना गोटे डाइपोल अछि डाइपोल रे आउ कोन अछि ना एक्सियल लाइन अछि ए फिगरटा इंडिकेट कौन करछि तुम सार को लिखियो पड़िबो तले ए लेखारू सार जानि गले तुम डाइपोल करिछो एक्सियल लाइन करिछो ओके लेट ताले एटा हमें ए ले जिबा दैट इज डाइपोल लेंथ इज 2a सो AB इज इक्वल टू डाइपोल दैट इज इक्वल टू डाइपोल लेंथ 2a O center what you mention in figure you write your let form मने करो OA is equal to OB is equal to A C is a point you see center of a dipole and C this is called to R. If you have to find the potential at C you have to take distance r from center of a dipole. Dipole means two charges. Then दीटांग charge रो midpoint रु तमे c रो distance को use करिवो. That is equal to your r. Okay, c is a point, OC is equal to r. Okay, this is called your length base. Next, V1 is equal to potential at C due to plus Q. Plus charge पाई बा plus Q पाई V1 होची potential होगी C रे. ता फॉर्मूला कौन आसीबो 1/4 pi epsilon 0 plus Q, that is equal to your plus Q divided by R. R is equal to CA square. CA. This is equal to R. This is equal to charge through C distance. Then 1/4 pi epsilon 0 Q divided by CA UC convert to R. That is OC minus OA. OC minus OA. That is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R minus A. Okay, this is equal to V1 means potential at C due to plus charge. Okay, clear? Doubt रहुची की? Next, V2 is equal to potential at C. Potential at C due to minus Q. So this is equal to your 1/4 pi epsilon 0. That is equal to air base. This medium is air. Minus Q divided by R. R means CB. Okay. You see minus you take common to this 1/4 pi epsilon 0 Q by what is CB? CB to convert to R. This is equal to R CO plus OB. That is equal to R plus A. R plus A. This is the equation 2. So this is equal to your V2. So you got V1 and V2 potential due to dipole at C. You take sum SUM. So total potential at C due to dipole. Means V is equal to V1 plus V2. This is equal to V1 1/4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R minus A minus. You see this is equal to your minus. So actually is equal to V1 plus V2 is equal to plus. But here is minus. So you take this is equal to your minus 1/4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R plus A. Okay. Now subtract it. You take first common. That is Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 1 by R minus A minus 1 by R plus A. What is this? 4 pi epsilon 0. This is equal to R minus A R plus A. You know loss out LCM. Then divide it. This cancel. R plus A minus. You see divide this. R plus A cancel. So R minus A and here is minus. This is minus plus. So minus R plus A. See R cancel. Is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 2A divided by A plus B A minus B. That is equal to your A square minus B square. R square minus A square. Okay? Clear है परचो? बुझी परचो? ठीक अच्छी? Next, so V is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon 0. You take here 1. This is equal to 2QA. You write here 2QA divided by R square minus A square. Okay? But P is equal to dipole moment. P is equal to 2QA. 2QA. And A is very less than R. A जो डाइपोल लेंथ जदि कंपेयर करिबा R सहित C रु सेंटर ऑफ डाइपोल पई ताला R is very large, that is A is very small than R. Very small means you can neglect it, that is you write A is equal to 0, you take. So put this is equal to P, this is equal to 0. So V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 P by R square. You see, this is the potential at any point on axial line due to dipole. Clear? You can write this is equal to V inversely proportional to square of the distance from center of a dipole to the point where you find the potential. Okay? बुझी पाइलो? देखिबो भलो आगे जदि नोट करथिबो तो भलो कथा, नोट सहित कंपेयर कर दबो, बुझी दबो, रिपीट कर दबो, मन रखिया बहुत सहज. ओके, नेक्स्ट सेकंड क्वेश्चन को आमी जिबा. पोटेंशियल at any point on equatorial line. Find potential or electric potential you write at any point on equatorial line. Equatorial line, you see equatorial line alternate to what? Broad side on position. BROAD, broad side on position. If equipotential line is not given, it is given broad side on position. Or how can I with an alternative? The line on the line, that is at any point on the line perpendicular to axial or normal to axial or orthogonal to axial and passing through center of dipole. You first understand the question. You know general term is equal to equatorial line, but it is not in question equatorial line. Find the potential at any point on broad side on position may come in place of equatorial line, but you read equatorial line, so don't confuse. Equatorial line means you see it may be broad side on position, or if broad side on position is not there, equatorial line is not there, then what may come? Find potential at any point on the line perpendicular to the axial line की perpendicular है. You see axial, this is called minus q, this is called to plus q, this is called your axial line की perpendicular and passing through center of a dipole देकरी पास करिवो. आउ कोन हेतिबो? Perpendicular हेतिबो. You see, this is called equatorial line. You know in your electrostatic chapter. Okay? So you see, first you dipole take plus q minus q. This is called to center. This is called to A. This is called to A. This is called to your dipole. Equatorial line, the line perpendicular to axial line and passing through center of a dipole. So this is called equatorial line. Equatorial line, you take point C like axial line. You join plus Q. O to C, you know this is equal to R in axial line also. So A, R, this is equal to 90 degree. This is equal to right triangle. This is equal to your R square plus A square root over H. B square plus P square, but P square plus B square root over. Okay? Similarly, you join this. This is equal to your 90. So this is equal to A, this is equal to A. So this is also your this root over. Okay? Now, you find potential here. Here potential means This is called your V1. V1 has two components here. You see, this is called to your part V1. This is called to theta, this is called to theta, this is called to your theta also. So this potential, here potential, you take consider a dipole containing equatorial line is as shown in figure. Okay, similar consider. Only you change the dipole, the general genes, and equatorial line. Next, let C is a point on equatorial line. Then AB dipole. Next, 2A length of dipole. O is equal to center. Then OA is equal to OB is equal to A. Next, OC is equal to R. This is equal to R. You see, this is equal to your distance from plus charge to C. So potential, okay, clear है गलो. मु बर्तमान potential बात करी. This is called your V1, not necessarily this one. In electric field it will come because electric field is a vector quantity. Here potential is a scalar quantity, so no need to find the direction. You simply find potential at C due to plus charge and potential V2 at C due to minus charge. Not necessarily the angle base. Okay? You see, V1 is equal to potential at C due to plus charge. This is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R square. R is SC square. Simple SC. So V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R. Not square. This is equal to simple R. So R means this is equal to R. This is equal to ASC. Next, 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by AC. AC is equal to your R square plus A square root over. Okay, this is equal to equation 1. V1. Clear? Next, you see V2 is equal to potential at C due to minus Q. So this is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. This is equal to plus Q. This is equal to your minus Q divided by R. R means this is equal to BC. Okay. So this is equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R square plus A square. This is equal to your V2. So if you find potential due to dipole, you take V. Okay? Clear? V1, V2? No doubt? Okay? You see net potential at C is equal to V. V is equal to sum of potentials at C due to dipole. Means for plus charge and for minus charge. So this is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R square plus A square plus minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R square plus A square. You see, this is equal to same, and this plus minus means minus. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R square plus A square minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R square plus A square. You see, this and this plus and minus and equal. So cancel. So potential is equal to 0. So may short question come? Potential at any point on equatorial line due to dipole. The answer is 0. May come prove that potential is 0 on equatorial line due to dipole. Clear? ठीक अछि. Next question को आमे जिबा. At any point due to dipole, you see at any point potential at any point you see potential at any point due to dipole. First हम बाहर कले axial रे due to dipole, equatorial रे due to dipole. एठी axial no equatorial but any point तमे जो पॉइंट टाको चूज करो, जे कोनस पॉइंट चूज करले डाइपोल पई सेठी पोटेंशियल केते आसीबो. ओके, you see dipole first minus q, this is called your plus q. You join it, take the center O, this is called a, this is called a. General सब क्वेश्चन रे जेमिति तमे डाइपोल नैतिलो एठी भी सेमति डाइपोल नबो. एनी पॉइंट यू चूज, नो एक्सियल नो इक्वेटोरियल, तुम मन इच्छा जो पॉइंट चूज करो. मु चूज कली गोटे पॉइंट एठी सी, तुम भी जो चूज करि पारो. एक्सियल रे मु नैथिली सी, इक्वेटोरियल नैथिली सी, एठी भी नेबी सी. प्लस चार्ज टाको ए नैथिली, माइनस को बी नैथिली. देखो एक्सियल रे जहा नेमिंग करछि, इक्वेटोरियल सेमति नेमिंग करिवो, at any point रे सेम नेमिंग करिवो. ताहले तुमको इजी हबो क्वेश्चन टाको मन रखियाको. ओके, सॉल्व करिया. Join it, center of dipole. Join this to A, join this to B. So you have to find V1 due to plus charge, V2 due to minus charge. So V1 plus V2, that is called your here total potential. Okay, so this is called your R. जेमती मु R नैथिली सेंटर ऑफ डाइपोल रु C रो पॉइंट एक्सियल रे नैथिली, इक्वेटोरियल नैथिली. एठी भी तमे सेया नबो. सब बेले यूनिक नेमिंग करिवो जोडा कि तुमको इजी हबो मन रखिया को क्वेश्चन टा. ओके, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड योर R. You see, you convert potential V1 and V2 in terms of R, not in terms of AC or BC. So this is called less than this length. You see, practically एटा जेतिक अछि तार थारु एटा टिके बडो अछि. जेतिक बडो अछि एटा कट इट. How to cut it? This is called your perpendicular. This is called your theta. So this is called to your A cos theta. This part, this is called to A sin theta. You know this is called to theta. This is called to suppose your H. So samna opposite of angle, that is called H sin theta. Adjacent of angle, that is called your H cos theta. So adjacent you theta, you see A cos theta. This is called hypotenuse. This is called A sin theta. Okay, this is called to take A, B, C. This is called your D point. Okay, similarly you see this one is greater than this, so you extend it and draw a perpendicular to equate it. So समान लेंथ रो ताले एठी perpendicular draw करियो. Perpendicular this is called your theta. So this is called your what? A cos theta adjacent, and this is called to your what? This one. This is called you take E theta opposite. This is called your A sin theta. Okay. So in this triangle you see O B E, theta opposite, this is A sin theta. Theta adjacent is called to A cos theta. Okay, this is called your figure at any point. So in consider you write, consider a dipole with any point C is as shown in figure. No axial, no equatorial. Okay, then relate AB dipole. Similar way, AB is equal to 2A, O center. Okay, OA is equal to OB, that is equal to your A, half A. Next OC is equal to your R. You see, next come to your V1 potential at a C due to plus Q. You see V1 is equal to potential at C due to plus Q. Okay, this is called 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q divided by AC. This is called your distance. AC. You see AC is equal to this also. Okay, Q convert to this means OC. So you write 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by, if you write OC equated to R, OC just minus it, A cos theta, minus A cos theta. So this is called to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R minus A cos theta. This is called your R, center of a dipole to C. This is called your R. So you have to convert center of a dipole to C, the length R, this formula to R form. Okay, this is called. So this is called your V1, potential at C due to plus Q. Similarly you can write V2 is equal to potential at C due to minus Q. This is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. You take minus charge divided by what is BC. You see BC convert to R. R means OC. So minus you take common, minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 you see BC. BC is equal to CE. This equal. So this to this is equal to R plus this is equal to your A cos theta. So this is equal to your R plus A cos theta. This is the equation 2. Okay, V2 बुझी पाइलो तोर V2 टा एक्चुअल नवा कथा दिस एटा को मु कन्वर्ट करबे R रे R टा हो CO बा OC आउ एति के मते ऐड करिया पड़ला. This is equal to your A cos theta. So this is equal to R plus A cos theta. Clear? Now V is equal to total potential. Total potential at C due to dipole. So this is equal to V1 plus V2. You take V1 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R minus A cos theta. Plus here minus. That is minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R plus A cos theta. Okay. Now take common. Common is equal to your Q by 4 pi epsilon 0. This is equal to 1 by R minus A cos theta minus 1 by R plus A cos theta. Okay, you take LCM. Q by 4 pi epsilon 0. This is equal to R minus A cos theta, R plus A cos theta. Okay, you see divide it, this cancel. So R plus A cos theta. Next this cancel. This is called minus R plus A cos theta. So this R cancel. This is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon 0. Okay, Q by 4 pi epsilon 0. This is equal to 2A cos theta divided by A plus B into A minus B. This is A square minus B square. Okay, this is 2QA. This is equal to your dipole moment P. P is equal to 2QA. So for 2QA put P. Okay, evaluate. धीरे सुस्ते तमे देखिबो वीडियो सुनिबो लेखिबो सिस्टमैटिकली लेखिले तुम बुझि पाइबो. ओके, सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 P cos theta divided by your R square minus A square cos square theta. Okay, This is called your total potential at any point due to dipole. Okay. For dipole, A is very less than R. तेणु जेते जोटा very less बहुत छोट बोलिक सब बहुत माने कंपेयर करले आर तुलन रे एटा बहुत छोट तेणु सेटा को हमें 0 बोली यूज करि परिबा. ओके. सो take A is equal to 0. So 0 means A square is equal to 0. So 0 into cos square, that is equal to 0. So V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 P cos theta divided by R square. This is equal to your final expression for potential at any point. From this, if you find the potential on axial line ପାଇଁ ତମେ ଯଦି ଏଇ फॉर्मूला बाहर करने को चाहूँ क्वेश्चन में कम यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला फाइंड पोटेंशियल at any point on axial line. For axial line, you see your figure is like this: theta, this is equal to c, this is equal to plus q, this is equal to minus q. At any point, if you find axial line, you see axial line means this line. So c will come to this, means angle will be 0. So for axial, theta is equal to 0. ओके बुझी पाछ केमि होउची सीटा एक्सियल को पळे आसीबो त एंगलटा रहइबनी प्रोट्रैक्टर मापियो कोन तमे 0 मापियो. सो v is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 cos 0 is equal to no 1, that is equal to p divided by r square. You got this formula in axial line also. Okay. For equatorial, if you come equatorial, you see this is equal to your c at any point. Equatorial means it will be perpendicular. This is equal to c. C will come to this, means theta is equal to your 90. So for equatorial line, you take theta is equal to 90. You see theta is equal to 90, cos 90 is equal to 0. So this p into 0 is equal to 0. 0 by 4 pi epsilon 0 r square is equal to 0. So this is equal to your 0. ओके ठीक अच्छी बुझी पारलो भल भाग देखिबो धीरे सुस्ते नोट सहित कंपेयर करिवो नोट जदि न कर थाओ लिखिबो बुझिबो जदि फर्दर भी तमको किछि डाउट हैला मते कमेंट कले नेक्स्ट वीडियो रे मु तुमको एक्सप्लेन कर दे परिबी. थैंक यू. मोर चैनल तो तुम जानिछो एटा होछि तमर सेकंड ईयर पिला मानको पई राउतराय क्लासेस YouTube रे तुम पाई परिबो. ओके थैंक यू.